Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a smiling cat. It's going to be simple, easy for beginners. It's just the head. That's it. So follow me. If you've never drawn anything in your whole life, you will be able to draw this. And that's it. Let's get started, okay? First thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to start with... Okay, so there's going to be like between the ears, there's going to be a flat area of hair. But I'm still going to draw it like this. See this? Draw like a flat line with a zigzag pattern. Just because it's going to be fuzzy, right? Line over here for one ear. Line over here for the other ear. Down on one side. Down on the other. Down here at the bottom. Down here at the bottom. I'm going to draw the outside of the cheek here, and that's going to be like this. See the zigzag pattern I'm using? So it's a curved line, but it's also a zigzag. Over here as well. It's a curved line, but it's got that zigzag to it. Go over here to the eye. And so one thing you want to remember about cat eyes is the axis of their eyes. So for example, axis meaning like the edge of the inside of the eye right here and the edge of the outside of the eye, it's more like angled, right? It's not straight. Usually it's not straight. So usually they're not straight like this. They're both like this, the eyes, like the edge and the other edge. And that's a really important trait to remember to make it look more cat-like. You don't have to do that, but it makes it look a lot more cat-like. Curve over here. Go over here to this eye. Line over here. Go down here, up for that eye. And it's kind of like an almond shape hanging down. Over here as well. Leave kind of like a highlight right there, and then fill in the bottom. Let's go to the nose. We're going to go down a little bit, and so the nose is basically a relatively small, but it's like flat at the top. Curve in here, curve in, and then flat right there. So it's kind of like this T shape with like a line in the middle of it. Draw a line down right below the nose. Curve right here for one side of the mouth. Curve right here for the other. And then the bottom of the mouth here. We're going to keep going down there and kind of keep that zigzag line going down. Let's go to the inside of the ear over here. This part's a zigzag. This part's a zigzag. Curving up, curving up. Zigzag here. Zigzag here. That's all the hair in the ear, you know, because there's a bunch of hair in the ear. I guess for like noise or something. I forgot what it was. There's a purpose for it. And you're gonna have to decide kind of the color of the cat that you want, right? You want it more like, do you want stripes on him, you know, here or here? You can kind of put that in there. I'm not gonna really put any, but what I could do is do this, do a few dots, a row of dots or two on one side, and then a row of dots on the other side for where the whiskers are coming out. And let me draw the whiskers thin, very thin. It's a lot easier to do this with a marker because I just don't have to put that much weight on it. Maybe put like 4 on each side. I mean, they obviously have more, but I think 4 on each side is fine. And then if you really want, I do this a lot to bring the drawing together. You can actually do like a thicker line just on the outside. We're gonna throw a thicker line just around the entire outer edge. So anyways, that's it. That's a smiling cat. I hope you like that. Let me know. Actually, I'm gonna draw like a thin line right here at the top of the nose. There you go. To kind of put it together. Let me know if you enjoyed that. Hit that like button if you did. Maybe I can draw more. Just kind of reach out to me. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe. And that's it. I will talk to you next time. Remember, I have an entire drawing course on how to draw a cat portrait in pencil. If you ever want to go check that out, that's on my Skillshare. I'm going to talk about that in a minute here. So see you soon. Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, you know, for example on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, you know, long term. And I get that, that's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy, and the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it. So talk to you later, and hopefully I'll catch you over there later. Thank you so much. You are amazing. Over here on the right, you're going to see my most recent upload, and on the top corner over here, you're going to see just another selection, another cool selection that has to do kind of with the subject of this video. And over here at the top, you can hit the subscribe to see a lot more. This is awesome, and I'll see you next time.